Today we examine whether India's 114 Rafale procurement reflects strategic reform or a response to post-conflict vulnerabilities. The recent India-Pakistan war was a pivotal moment in South Asian military dynamics, disrupting India's long-held image of conventional military superiority. In a brief confrontation, 7 Indian aircraft were downed, including 4 Rafale aircraft, a major operational setback. The response was a mega deal, 114 additional Rafale aircraft, valued at approximately $39 billion. The French president is currently in India, and the details of the deal are to be discussed with New Delhi. The May war exposed critical gaps in India's air superiority and revealed operational weaknesses, challenging assumptions about seamless integration. On the global stage, India seeks to project itself as a rising military power, reassuring external partners who view it as a regional counterweight. On the domestic front, by expanding its fleet and emphasizing modernization, New Delhi attempts to downplay the reputational costs of May 2025. While fleet expansion and local manufacturing provide a narrative, this alone does not guarantee success. Modern warfare is defined by doctrine, integration, and coherent kill chains, where numerical superiority doesn't ensure escalation control. In fact, Pakistan retains a first-shot capability, a decisive factor that still gives its forces an edge. Accordingly, the control of the air advantage still rests with Pakistan, forestalling any future adventurous moves by Indian forces. Ultimately, any military procurement is not about numbers. It is about systems, integration, and strategic foresight. The question remains, is it a long-term doctrinal adjustment or an interim solution designed to restore confidence? Thank you for watching. Please visit CASS website for detailed analysis.